For this week's Footwork Friday, I wanted to build on that heel-toe switch we covered last month. This one only involves one heel kicking out, but we'll switch it and try a few variations from touching our toes to kicking our foot in the air. So to start this move, again, we'll be bringing each foot on its toes. I start with my left, then my right, then my left foot is the one going out on its heels. The further you kick it out, the cooler it will look. Then bring it back and the right will go in with the toes. It's always left, right, or right, left. Just know that you're always interchanging. Don't forget to also move the direction your hips are facing as well. When your toes come in, your hips are moving. Once you got the movement down, now every time you kick your heel out, with the hand of the same side, you're going to reach down and try to touch your toes. The other variation is instead of rolling your heel out, you'll lift it up. But be very careful doing this. Make sure you're comfortable on one leg and do it slowly first or you'll lose your balance and fall backwards. Lastly, as the leg is up in the air, you can also touch your toes with your hands again in this variation. This one is a little hard for me. That's it for this week. If you liked it, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all next Friday.